History. In the early 1990s, several serious accidents involving loss of cargo prompted the Canadian and U.S. governments to call for a review of the adequacy of cargo securement regulations. In 1993, government and industry groups from both countries agreed to sponsor a major research program. From 1993 to 1997, research was conducted to get a better understanding of the mechanics of cargo securement on trucks and the effectiveness of different cargo securement techniques. The findings were presented to a joint Canada-U.S. committee for use in preparing a North American cargo securement standard. The standard was developed by a coalition of American and Canadian volunteers, including federal, state, and provincial highway agencies, police, enforcement agencies, and highway safety organizations, trucking industry, truck and trailer manufacturing industries, cargo securement equipment manufacturing industries and associations, manufacturing and processing industry sectors and associations, and research and standard setting organizations. After all the research and consultations, the Canadian and American governments acted in concert to create a North American cargo securement standard, Standard 10 Cargo Securement. The United States enacts the new standard in January of 2004. Canada enacts the new standard in July of 2005. Included in this slide is a link to the actual standard. Fundamentals of cargo securement. Guiding principles of cargo securement. Cargo being transported on the highway must remain secured on or within the transporting vehicle given the following: under all conditions that could be reasonably expected to occur in normal driving, when a driver is responding in all emergency situations except when there is a crash. An improperly secured load can result in loss of life, loss of load, damage to the cargo, damage to the vehicle, a crash, issuance of citation fines to the driver or carrier, the vehicle being placed out of service. What does the standard cover? Commercial vehicles, including a combination of vehicles that are operated on a highway and have a gross vehicle rating over 4,500 kg or 10,000 pounds. Any cargo and dangerous goods/hazardous goods materials, including all general freight, all equipment carried for vehicle operation, intermodal containers and their contents, and some specific commodities that have additional or different securement requirements. It is assumed that heavy loads carried under special permits would be subject to securement standards contained in the special permit, which may differ from the North American Cargo Securement Standard. Check with your federal, provincial, or state government for any permit requirements. What does the standard require from the driver and the carrier? The commercial motor vehicle's cargo must be properly distributed and adequately secured. The commercial motor vehicle structure and equipment must be secured as well. This includes tailgate, doors, tar pins, spare tire, other equipment used in the vehicle's operation, and cargo securing equipment. The cargo or any other object must not obscure the driver's view ahead or to the right or left sides, except for the driver of self-steer dollies, interfere with the free movement of the driver's arms or legs, prevent the driver's free and ready access to accessories required for emergencies, prevent the free and ready exit of any person from the commercial motor vehicle's cab or driver's compartment.